Hi guys, I'm Rita, and in today's episode I will show you how you can mark a customer invoice or sales invoice as paid on Coconut accounting software. On mobile app, go to section called invoices. Here select an invoice which we want to mark as paid. So for example, Travel Limited in my case. To mark this invoice as paid, go to right top corner and there is 3 dots, click on those. And here we can select mark as paid. On next pop-up, we need to select how this invoice was paid and when. So I will select payment date of 3rd, and my payment method was other. It was not paid in cash, PayPal or into my bank account. It was paid in different ways. So select and click mark as paid. Okay, so when I go back to my invoices, Travel Limited for 350 is no more there. So when I click on view paid invoices, 350 invoice was paid on 3rd June. Information shows below that amount. And when I click, I can see more details. So when invoice was issued, when was the due date, and under 350 there is information that this invoice was paid on 3rd June. So in this episode I showed you how you can mark your invoices, sales or customer invoices as paid on Coconut accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial and my personal review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it, check it out.